This day trading strategy will make you a profitable trader if you just follow the rules and regulation I'm going to explain to you here right now. It's very simple to trade, it's not complicated. So all you have to do is just pay attention and follow the rules. Definitely to make a profitable trader. So let's go into it. First, people talk about liquidity. Sometimes you have to allow market to take out liquidity before you can think of taking a trade. Right now, when this market was here, first it gave you higher high and gave you a lower high. Then take out this higher high. You know that this higher high is somehow with liquidity. Yes, because there is sellers here that drop this market. But unfortunately, those sellers don't have that momentum or that power to take out this low. So that's why I end up giving a higher low here. Then buyers step in and take out these sellers, say which they take out the liquidity. People stop losses are here, they take it out. So now market have taken out liquidity here. Do you know what you have to do next? Is to just wait whether buyers will continue the momentum or not. If buyer didn't continue the momentum and you see anything like then another higher low, then that higher low didn't take out this higher high here. So after that higher low, then you then see lower high. Market then give you this higher high. Then buyers fail to take out this higher high. The market end up giving you a higher low. What you need to wait for is market to come back to take out this lower low here. Make market taking out this lower low here. If you want to enter aggressive entry, you can enter a sell. Then you have to wait for market to break here and retest. Then you take a trade. Let me explain this on the chart. So look at what happened here. I'm waiting for a confirmation here right now. You can see that there is a high here. And there is a low here. This market rallied and took out this body candle, and the liquidity now is remaining only this shadow. If you draw, because if you want to draw your resistance here, it will be from here to here. You can see that market have taken out this, is remaining this. Whatever made this market come back now to take out this low, immediately it's taken out into, you can take a sell, or you can wait for it to break and retest, then you take a sell. Let me explain it on the chart here. Look at what happened here. You can see that gold will take out. There is a high here, buyer, seller stepping here, and they end up giving what? A higher low. Then buyers step in and take out this high. But the momentums of the buyers didn't continue. They could not be able to push this market more high. See what's happened. It started dropping. Then pay attention to what happened here. If you look at here, there is a low here, which I'm paying attention to this second, this buy candle here. And after this buy candle, the next candle that came out is a sell candle. What happened? Came back to broke this particular candle, take out this low. What happened? This one came back to retest, it dropped. Here should be your entry point. Here should be your entry point, and your stop should be just on this. And this market dropped like 1 to 5 plus. If you watch this video over and over again, you understand this strategy. It's very simple to trade with. It's not complicated. I will give you another example. You just need to just wait for market to take out highs and lows. Okay, look at what happened here now. Sellers take out this low here. What sellers supposed to do next if this trend, if the down trend want to continue, is to give you what is it called, higher low, and start dropping. As in, sorry, to give you a lower high, the market will start dropping and make a new lower low. But that didn't happen. What happened here is that buyers take over and keep pushing it and end up giving you higher high and giving you a lower high. The market came back to take out this high. You see that market broke it. When market retest it, you take a buy. Your entry should be from here. You take a buy and your stop will be here. Or even at this body. This is still didn't take you out. This thing still give you 1 to 4 plus. This is a very simple strategy. You just need to pay attention to. You will see that this strategy will make you money.